Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my furry yet incredibly sleepy sidekicks. I'm so happy you're here. Hope you hang around. Hit that subscribe button for me. It really helps me continue to bring you videos just like this one. If you're new, I'm Laura. The brown puppy dog is Xena. The white one is Wyatt. We do subscription box unboxing, shopping hauls, outfit of the day, and so much more. Today, I have one of my favorite boxes to share for you. And I love this one because it is so easy to keep it for yourself sometimes and gift it. It is my Vine O wine and lifestyle subscription box. What? I know, it has something for everybody. I love this box. Each box is curated to help women relax, recharge, and rewind. What could be better? The perfect gift as we get into the very busy holiday season is perfect for the holidays, so for Christmas, but also I think for birthdays, for thinking of you, and all the other things. So we're going to get right into this box. It is filled with goodies. So it has a whole 5 to 6 lifestyle full-size goodies, as well as 2 bottles of wine. And stay tuned because I have a code for you that will get you a 3rd bottle of wine for the life of your subscription. Yes, the life for new subscribers. Okay, let's get right into this. Right at the top, there's a box that has all of the lifestyle goodies in it. I'm going to get that out. So this box always comes at the top. This has all of your lifestyle goodies, and they range from, there's always an edible that is so good. There's always jewelry and so many fun surprises that I love this box. I love it every single season. It is a seasonal subscription. Right inside the box, there is always a little envelope that will have little cards inside that tell you about each of the items inside your box. And the theme for this one is Oh Ho Ho box. So this one is the holiday box. Let's get right into the fun stuff. So I did mention to you that this one is easy to gift, and it really is, because if you sign up for this subscription, it does come 4 times a year. If you decide that you want to send one of those months or quarters, one of those quarters to somebody else, all you do is change the ship to address. That's all. So if you decide I want to get the holiday box, but I'm going to send the winter box, or I guess that would be the next one, this would be winter. So the next one would be spring. If I want to send the spring box, so to a friend, then you can just change the shipping address, send it to a friend, send it to your mom, send it to your sister, whomever you think needs that pick-me-up. And then summer, you want to say, okay, I think I would like to get the summer box again, send it to you. And then fall comes and you say, oh, I have a birthday coming up. I think this person would love it. Change the ship to address to them. So you could get it 2 times a year and gift it 2 times a year, or however you like it. So I love that. You could just get the subscription and gift it every single season if you wanted to, and just change that ship to address. It's amazing. I love it. They make it really, really easy. All right, we're going to get right into each of these items that I'm seeing. So first up, what you always will get with my code, if you use it, is a free wine tote. Basically, it comes as part of the additional package. So I love this. You always get a wine tote to carry your bottles of wine. So if you want to take them to parties, if you want to gift them, you'll get an extra wine tote. And we'll cover all of that in just a minute. So this says sparkle and wine. Perfect for the holidays, right? The back is blank. I love it. I was actually thinking I may do some gifts this year for wine, and I have a couple of these, so it'll come in perfect. All right, next. Everything is always seasonal, so you always get really great, appropriate, useful items in these collections. So I love this. This is a Willow Collective cozy hat, so you have a little beanie, but wait till I show you the best part. So it has the little furry top to it. Check out the inside. Oh, so soft. That is so amazing. I love this. Yeah, by Willow Collective. That is adorable. Oh, so soft. Perfect for when you go outside and play in the snow. Or you just need to venture out in the snow because the sidekicks need to go for a walk or go play. Wyatt loves the snow. Xena does not like the snow. She's like, I don't think so. Love that. That is adorable. Let's see what it says about it. There's always a card that tells you about each of the items, as I said, inside your box. So here's an example. So it says, oh, cozy, this fold over pom-pom beanie is a must-have winter accessory. Whether outside building a snowman or cozying up with a hot chocolate and holiday movie, this hat is made to keep your head warm on chilly winter days. It's made from 100% acrylic material and features a faux fur pom-pom and a soft fleece inner lining for extra warmth and comfort all day. It is machine and washable, and you just lay it flat to dry. And the value of this is $20. Next up, there's always jewelry. So I love that too. This one is by, is it Ebon Company? So you can see that. I think it's EB. I think it's EB and Company Open Circle Necklace. The value of this is $50. Get rid now. Maybe hopefully no glare now. That is so pretty. And I'm going to put it on for you real quick so we can see what it looks like. This is pretty. And I'll read what it says while I'm putting it on. It says, dainty and simple, this open circle necklace is perfect accent necklace to go with any look. The open circle pendant necklace is a timeless design that can be worn to symbolize eternal love, making it not only a popular fashion statement, but sentimental jewelry piece as well. It says, oh, pretty. That looks nice, doesn't it? I like it. There's more. Okay, next up. It says, treat yourself. Premium sea salt caramel dark chocolate. So, first of all, I have to admit that the first thing I go for in these boxes after I finish my video and get it all wrapped up is the edible. They put the most amazing edibles in these boxes. I think last time it was chocolate and sweet cream something popcorn that didn't even last, I think, to the end of the day. So this looks also amazing. It says Happy Holidays on the inside. Let's see what it says about it. This is valued at $9, and it says, treat yourself, treat yo elf, right? Yes, please. Bringing innovation and taste to the gift-giving world, Sweeter cards are the first ever greeting card and gourmet chocolate bar all in one. These cards are a unique, meaningful, and delicious way to share how you feel with custom illustrations that will have you and yours indulging with a smile. That is so cute and such a great idea. They actually do have a discount on here that if you wanted to visit the sweetercards.com, you would get a discount off of their site if you wanted to purchase that. That's so cute. I love it. And let's see what the chocolate looks like inside. I'm afraid to try it because I probably won't be able to stop, but we might have to. Let's keep going before I get easily distracted. All right, next up, I know Xena sees it now, is something by Lauritzy Cosmetics. Do you guys not love the variety in this box? I do. So this is an eyeshadow palette. The value of this one is $32. It says, ooh la la, this stunning palette from Lauritzy offers 5 versatile shades of colors, perfect for a casual day of shopping or a fabulous night out on the town. This buttery shadow makes it incredibly easy to blend out for an effortless finish. This palette is the perfect addition to your collection and will help you create all the looks you've been dreaming of. They have sent palettes before, and I use them. I really, really like them. Here's what this one looks like. Very nice shades. Okay. And we have more inside. One more thing inside this. This is a really great addition. So look at this. This is by Core, and it's a set of 2 bamboo cutting boards. I love that. So it is, the sizes are, let me see here, 8 by 6 and 12 by 9. The value of this is $24. And it says, enhance your holiday season entertaining with this unique, beautiful charcuterie board set. This pile it high with your favorite crudités, spreads, meats, cheeses, and fruits for the perfect charcuterie mix. Then, of course, make sure to enjoy with your favorite wine. And that's what we're going to get to next. It says, oh, yum. Made from organic bamboo, the board showcases a beautiful wood grain. Okay, I'm sorry. This is the first time I'm talking this morning. Wood grain, sure to elevate any home aesthetic. The set also doubles a cutting board, providing an ideal surface which is gentle on knives. Highly durable and eco-friendly, this set will last for years for fun gatherings. This is really nice. I love that all of the pieces are useful. There's something you're going to want to grab for. So from this cutting board or charcuterie set, which I love and will use, to the chocolate, which will probably be gone before today is out, to the beanie, which is something you just need because you're cold. And then, of course, I always use the eyeshadow palette, so I always enjoy something like that. The necklace, which I think is super pretty. And then the wine tote, which is something they'll give you as an extra if you use my discount code or my discount. So awesome, awesome, awesome. That's that collection of all the fun little extra goodies that you get. And now we're going to get into the wines. So the wines are custom wines. They're generally $24 each, and they come in these nice little egg crates to make sure that they're safe inside your box. So the box is pretty heavy, and we're going to rip this right open and see what I got. You can choose what type of wine that you want if you have a preference. So you can either choose sweets, whites, reds, or a mix of white and red. If I were choosing, I do tend to go for a mix because sometimes I do want to gift it. I don't want to keep it. Otherwise, I would go for the sweets because that's just me. We were just at a wedding recently. She had the most amazing champagne. And I said to my husband, I go, this is so good. And he goes, that's because it's sweet. And that's what I thought. He didn't think it was quite as good as I did because it was sweet. That's my preference. Okay, so generally, I believe the wines come from California, I think, or South Africa. This one is California. This is a New Crush Cabernet Sauvignon 2018. So that's the first one. And I love that, you know, you can easily just take this with you to a party. So if you're just taking it with you, you have the perfect little bag to put it into. Or if you're gifting it, you could gift them the whole bag because you know you're probably going to get another little tote next time. All right, and then the other two. I have a California Pinot Grigio. And the last one is a Pinot Noir, also a California wine. And that is my box. What did you think? So this subscription is $59.99 a season. So if you'd like to sign up, $59.99 a season. And if you use my code, which is HAPPY, you will get an extra bottle of wine for life and a cute little wine tote in each of your boxes. So all you have to do is use the code HAPPY whenever you sign up, and I will put all that information down below for you. So $59.99, and this particular box is valued at $216 with the extra bottle of wine and the tote, just to give you a sense. Generally, it's around $180 is the value of the boxes without the extra items. I will put all this information down below. I can't wait to hear what you think. This is one of my favorite subscriptions. It is so much fun, and I love that I can kind of keep some and gift some, which is why I really enjoy this subscription so very much. All right, so thanks so much for spending time with me today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. Please do hit that like if you did. Would love you to hang out, as I said. Hit that subscribe button. It really helps me continue to do this. And until next time, bye everybody.